if him get raped. No, the man never get raped. And lie some boy I tell.
Welcome back, viewers and subscribers who are gone. Subscribe if it's your first time over the channel. If you like what I post, me. But here we go on, guys. So this guy called Danny Baker, the Baker, or you can call him Danny Vengeance. The man who did that about baking it, right? Everybody's supposed to familiar with him by now. So anyways, a couple months back, anyways, so the rumors when spread about Mavado, or you can say where the people them are spread about Mavado, him come for clear up all of that and make them know say nothing ever go so. You see pre guys. So me I go left it in a theme.
The Jamaican people, yard and abroad, foreign people too. Yeah. The subject. This is a wagwan on top of wagwan. The other day you see me post some things about David Brooks, David Constantine Brooks, Mavado, Gully Garden. Alright? Yeah, one of my islands too. People, we need to start believe everything we want to see on social media. Okay? But one of the main things when you see me in the street when you ask me is if Mavado get raped. That's what I mean. If I listen to everyone on the store when you see me in the street. If him get raped. No, the man never get raped. And lie some boy I tell. Some boy will eat upon the man long time, knowing that me and him go through a little thing and start feed me information. I know them boy did it. New York. LA. I never know say man so much haters all over the place. All people I know call me, I tell me shit about him. When me so flex it. So here me I say Mr. Brooks. I love you like my little brother. Alright? I'm not eat for you neither. I'm not going to bake you neither for no money. Okay? The baker alright, I'm good. Money is not my problem. I have 99 problem. And money ain't one. Okay? Alright. But more of the people them get it straight. I have a whole lot more things to tell them too. But before I go any further, I want to tell all of the haters them who don't leave me spinning son. David Mavado Brooks. He never raped nobody. Pick up his son Dante. Every day I pray for Dante still. See? If I just through the police system of Jamaica no good, why them have the youth and I deal with them case like that? You see me? I mean, know it no good. For them send my brother to prison for 1 life and 10 years before he come of age. Okay? The man spent like around 15 years in prison and they let him out one night. 10 o'clock. After 10:30 at night, them let out my brother from gun court. So the system of Jamaica no right. But big up yourself, Dante. Just go and pray, we come out. Yeah. Big up money, man. Big up yourself, money. Big up yourself, Daniela. Baker there go and fix that thing, you know. And baby days, you may not forget you neither. You're not my prayer too. But I pray for you, you know. Yeah, man, I pray for you, man. For the world kind of unjust, you know. And we can't make money divide it. We can't make money divide it. What's all of them time, yeah? Look how much people are dead. And you're going to make money divide it? No, man, we need more love for each other. See? Chase cross. Big up yourself. They don't know so they can know it. Alright? Big up yourself. Flex on the complex. Not to mention you. Baker love your youth. And I will declare to the people some lot more things too. But what more of the people know, leave me spinning boy alone. Big up the father, Mavado. God bless you then. And I bless you too, you know. But you make some mistake. I have to correct them too. I have the kids them I grow up now. See? I feel them world. For me and the world done. I feel them world now. The kids them world. Yeah. But as me tell the people them, we need to stop listening and follow everything for social media. There are some guys who just go dress up for one day. With all the bungler money on them shoulder, so I show it and I post like a money. And the money are fake. People, be real. Alright? Be real. Don't leave Miss Pinison alone. The man never get raped out of town. I lie the boy them I tell. Lie the boy them I tell from go real New York and go find out say the boy them a liar. Big time liar them. I mean I like liar. Mm-hmm. But Mavado, you slip. But you see when me call the phone, you should answer your phone. You should wait till 3 or 4 months after to answer your phone. That don't look right. You see me I say? That kind of shady. But anyway, I understand. I have a beautiful money. I don't want the money from you again neither. See? Just I declare this with the people and make them know say where the matter about you say again it wasn't true. And it's unfair to me to know say it come from my mouth to the people and it never was so. But me did already tell the people and say, hear me, hear. Me never tell nobody say me sick or me no. I me did it. I just that Mavado have some haters and the haters them are pretty man them don't know and them see a way for low mean and try hurt him feelings. But them a liar. You understand? The boy them a liar. And that wrong for your life for somebody them way there. See? But there's some more things to talk about on another session. We now give them it all at once. But I want to leave Miss Pinison alone. Mavado, David Brooks. Don't leave him alone, please. Not through the baker said this, you know. Oh, the baker said this, the baker said that. The baker said him here. And some boy run up in our business and I go let them know people like that. Them boy go sit down and some of broke hungry boy when I have nothing. So I said them life no mean nothing. You see? Big up yourself, baby Daisy. Are your world. You hear me? I said Daisy, are your world. We have to pay a big for living right now. Alright. I love the kids them. I'm not like liar people. So big up yourself, you know, my spinning. I hope I think that you them at talk about your son, not go so lie the pussy them at tell about your son. Excuse my language. I lie them at tell about your son. Nobody no rape your son out of town. Me and them have some going over music and fear. I know people business that neither. See? And I don't have nobody business, I'm me and him business that. But I don't want you have no feelings like so. I don't hate you, me out. I hate you, man, you're mad, man. Joey Brooks, big up yourself. You know who the baker is. I tell you, big up yourself. The baker just there about a little things still, you know. But Dante, right now, you hear me out, go and pray, yeah? God will help you. Jamaica police system and the whole judicial system need to fix. And them things they put Mavado brain under pressure. You hear people talk this and talk about there's no way a man about have him son in them situation and feel good. Or family. That a pressure your brain. But me youth, if that a pressure your brain, all you have to do is step to the baker and say right there, baker, right there, and then you're good. You see me, I say, you make a mistake, I will kill your feet neither. You can make millions of hits, sir. See? I make millions of dollars. But we can't make the money separate from my life. See? I mean, I big up all of your kids, them when I don't know too. So I tell the world, I'm going to leave my Spanish son alone. God bless your father, Mavado. God bless the dead man. But as I say, we need to stop all the social media and stop all the bullshit and all the things. We have too much eating go on. Girl, God, I'm a singer from a long time. Can't tell I'm a singer from a long time. And hold it more. I love all of the man who are singing in the music industry. It's not an easy road. You see me I say? Big up Bojo and all of them man. You see me I say? They know the baker is, and I big up the whole town of and I love them, you know. Remember that. We enough of that money separate, you know. See? For the people who have the money, who have the real money, them deal with the thing different. Let's say the Jews them run things. Eh? You ever see a Jews that kill a Jews the money? So why we black people are act like